Hi, this is Dr. Priyanka Kuri, consultant dermatologist at Aster Whitefield. Today we're going to burst few myths about hair care routine and how to follow your hair care routine on a regular basis. Is it advisable to get it done, doctor? Hair care treatments like your keratin treatments or smoothing, Botox or nanoplasty? I would say no. At any cost, we don't ask you to go for any of those treatments because you're breaking the bonds there in your hair strands, which will give you more straight look or more shinier look, which is against the natural thing what is happening in your curly hair or your frizzy hair. Again, after a few months or few years, again the hair starts becoming more dry, more frizzy, and since you have already broken those bonds, they are more prone for easy breakage when you comb. So that's a vicious cycle. Again you go for those treatments, again it's going to make your bonds very weak. So we usually advise not to go for any of those treatments. Day to day, people are using those even blow dries as well. No blow drying of your hair, no using any heat dry. If normal hair drying is fine on a daily basis, only whenever you have a function, it's fine to do your blow dry once in a blue moon kind of a thing, but not on a daily basis. The other thing is your straightening, which is not the heat tools, not the permanent hair straightening, but just to straighten your hair just before your functions. So in that also, please always make sure that you use a heat protectant serum or a heat protectant gel, and then use those heat stylers or to curl your hair or to straighten your hair, and try to minimize them as much as possible. Post using all those heat products or heat tools, make sure the next day you oil your hair well, nourish them properly with your oil so that the hair is not very frizzy, and maintain it with your hair care routine. Next is a hair color. Now, bleaching has to be avoided at any cost. Avoid as much as possible in your hair color treatments because bleach will obviously cause a lot of damage to your hair bonds as well as cause a lot of dryness. So try to go for hair color which you can avoid bleach as much as possible. And on a regular basis, all dyes have some or the other chemicals. So try to use organic hair dyes as much as possible, and always don't forget to do a test patch before you do a hair color. Next, coming up to your hairstyles, always avoid this high pony hairstyles or very tight braids. That's a very common thing what we used to do during our childhood days or during your school going age, which actually causes a lot of traction alopecia. That has to be avoided. For any queries regarding your hair care, we are always available at Aster Whitefield Hospital, Bangalore. Thank you.